Okay, this goes over how to create a new document and the options that you have. I don't use this a lot because I usually just drag and drop an image that I know is the size that I need into Photoshop. That's usually what you're going to do. Like if you have multiple staff pictures on a page, you're just going to drag that one into it and size your new one. I do create a new image if, say, I don't have something like that and I know that I need my image to be 600 by 400 pixels. So all you do is open Photoshop, create new. This new document window will open. It gives you all your options. You can use these if you want. There's a 600 by 400 already there. I usually just go here and type in my width is going to be 600. 400 is already there. That shows you that it's, landscape. Leave this as pixels. If you're doing this for a newsletter or a web page, anything online, you're going to leave it just as 72 in the resolution. If you were to do this, if you were doing this for print, you would want it to be 300, like if you were doing something for a business card. But for us, we're going to leave it as 72. Again, for anything on the screen, website, anything like that, you're going to leave it color mode RGB. That's red, green, blue. That's the color mode that anything electronic recognizes. If you were doing print, it would be CMYK. That's what these other color options are. Just leave this as 8-bit. I usually leave the background as transparent. Sometimes you might come in and it says white. If you're not saving as a PNG with a clear background, it doesn't really matter if that's going to be all covered up. I just like to leave it as transparent just to be safe. But you can see I change it to white and now I don't see transparent. Make sure you scroll. I always forget that. If you scroll, it gives you different options and there's your transparent. These advanced options, you don't really need to worry about that, so you just leave them as is. So basically, you're just going to mess with your size, so your width and your height. These should all pretty much stay the same for everything you're going to work on. If you want to swap it real quick, you're like, oh no, I wanted it 400 by 600. You can just click that. And then you hit create. And then there's your artboard. And you can see with our checkerboard here that it's transparent, which is what we selected. That's our layer, our one layer. And then you just do whatever you're going to do.